I'm Jason from Build Sheffield. We work in Sheffield and South Yorkshire. I offer UPVC windows, roofline products and composite doors, amongst other things. So on this particular property, we did UPVC windows going from brown to grey, which complements the brick, and a full replacement on the roofline. We also did this new composite door, which replaced the old PVC one, which is more secure and thermally efficient.
Well, smooth, efficient and practical. Above as expectations. Didn't expect it to be as good as it was. Just the look at the end. When I looked at the house when it finished, it just looked totally different to how I visualised it. It was like a wow. Just the front of it, how it stands out when you look around. It does wow, sticks in your face type thing when you come onto it. Modernisation, stand out. Yes, I'd recommend Build, yeah. Yes, definitely, yeah. It's made our home a lot more efficient.
So I use National Plastics because they're local, they've got friendly staff, good price products, and sometimes I can get same day delivery. I use the Sheffield branch because it's really convenient to get to, really local to where I live. I get good support from staff at National Plastics. Generally, if I phone up and I've got a bit of an issue, they've got really good product knowledge. The staff in the branch are great, really supportive as they have really good product knowledge. The customer service really helps my business run more smoothly. So if you're not using National Plastics, you really need to give them a try.